How to see the first message on Messenger without scrolling. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's begin. First of all, you have to open up the Tab Scroller app, which you can easily get in the Google Play Store. After that, you can tap either in the skip or next. After that, here you have to tap on got it option. So the simple thing you can do is you can just turn it on. Here you have to allow permission to this app, so you have to tap on the button. After that, this settings will be opened, where you have to tap on the tap scroll and you have to turn it on. After that, you have to go back and you have to simply turn it on by tapping on the button over here. So here you can see the tap scroll has been on, so you can simply go back. After that, you have to open up the Messenger. So here you have to select the conversation of which you want to see the first message. So here you can see the conversation has been opened. So in order to see the first message, so you can simply tap on the upper left side. So as here you can see the first message has been displayed over here. So by following this simple step, you can easily see the first message without even scrolling. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.